Push-ups are one of the best bodyweight exercises for building a strong upper body, if you do them correctly. Do them wrong, you're sabotaging your gains and risking injury. And let's be honest, you're probably making at least one of these 5 mistakes. Let me fix that. Mistake 1. Looking up. When you bend your neck to look forward, you mess up your spine alignment and strain your neck. Instead, look down. Pick a spot on the floor just ahead of your hands and keep your eyes there so your head stays in line with your spine. Mistake 2. Elbows flared out like a T. When your elbows go out at 90 degrees, your shoulders take unnecessary pressure and become more prone to injury. Instead, tuck your elbows at about a 45 degrees angle. From above, your body should look more like an arrow than a T. Mistake 3. Hips sagging. This crushes your lower back and makes the rep easier in all the wrong ways. Instead, brace your core, squeeze your glutes, and keep a straight line from head to heels. No dipping in the middle. Mistake 4. Shoulders rolled forward. Rolling your shoulders forward takes the chest out of the exercise and forces weaker stabilizer muscles to do the work. They'll burn out fast. Instead, pull your shoulders back and stay tight through the whole set. Mistake 5. Moving straight up and down. Push-ups aren't an elevator ride. If you're only going up and down, you're missing full chest activation. Instead, push slightly forward as well as up, like you're trying to shove the floor away from you. Alright, now that your push-up form is fixed, click here to see the mistakes that are making your pull-ups useless, and how to fix them for good.